So, it's Hannah. So, that was an odd intro. Hey guys, it's Hannah. So, today we're going to be remaking some of my slimes. Now, I checked these 3. They're fine, we can leave them. But I had 2 slimes that I had to give up. So, I'm going to be making some slime. My only problem is, my glue bottle is glued shut. So, I'm going to be cutting at this. I can't cut the bottle, is the problem. I have to be super careful with what I'm cutting, because I can't cut the bottle of glue. I got it! Yeah, there's glue all around it. Oh my gosh. Here, I'll show you guys this string of glue as I peel it off. That came off this part of the bottle where the lid is on, so it was actually glued shut. So, this bottle is so heavy. I have to pour it myself too, because I have no friends to help me right now. So I think I'm going to do it like this. Hopefully I don't spill it everywhere. I did it without glue. I did it without gluing my hair to anything too, so that was nice. Okay. Make sure there's no glue around. Yep, there's glue around the edges. Do I have any tissue? I have tissue. Don't kill anything, Hannah. Okay. I think that's clean. Okay. Put the lid back on. Okay. So if you guys haven't seen my how to make slime video, that is on my channel too, so yeah. Go check that out. So we added that. Set that there. I need to add my baking soda if I have any. So I have a pinch. Try to get a bit more because that's not a lot. Guys, I'm missing the box, and some of it just poured out into my box of slime stuff. So yeah, it's just nice. Okay, I got as much as I could mixed in already. So, I'm going to get my shaving foam. It reminds me of whipped cream. I always wanted to eat it because it reminds me so much of whipped cream, but I feel like it's really dangerous. So I don't know if I want to do a glitter slime. I think this slime will be the one that'll fit in this container. It depends on the size. If it'll fit in the smaller one, I'll put it in. But I have to add the glitter now if I'm going to put it in. But I'm not going to on this slime, I don't think. I think this slime, I have a pink, a white, and a blue. I don't have a green or a yellow. I could try lime green. Where's my green? That's not green. That's empty green. Where's my full green? Oh, that's my full green. Okay. You're not a full yellow, are you? Okay, you're full yellow. Okay. So I think I'm going to do 1 of these and 3 of these. And see what happens. 1 green. Oh, no. Oh. Just dropped onto my finger. Oh, that's not good. I have a green blob now. Okay, that's fun. 1, 2, 3 yellow. Okay, so now, so you guys can see, I'm just going to mix in all the colors and see what happens. I've never tried to do a lime green before. Ooh, it looks really nice. It's like a light lime green. My cat's here. Andrew! Here he is. No, because you can't have the slime. So that's the color at the moment. It's not as bright to you guys on the camera, but I think that's all I'm going to do. I think it's just going to be a normal green fluffy slime. So I want to add a bit more shaving foam. Okay, there's more in there now. Come off. Good. Okay. Shut that and put it back. Mix in my extra shaving foam and add a bit more color, I think, because the shaving foam is diluting the color because it's lighter. Yeah, this one will have to go in the bigger container, which means green glitter. Good thing it's in Ziplocs. It's attached to some other ones, so. Okay. Actually, I think I'm going to add my color first. Add one more drop of green, I think. Will help. And how about 2 of these? Oh, whoops, that was 3. Okay. Well. We added 3. Oh yeah, it's back to the bright green. Okay, so it's back to the green. Now I'm going to add the glitter. Ooh, it looks nice. Okay, I wish you guys could see me pouring this in. It looks beautiful. Okay, that's enough glitter. It's like Tinkerbell. It's Tinkerbell slime. You guys are going to be the ones that help me name this slime. Oh no. At the end of the video, you guys are going to name my slimes that I make. But look at that. All that darker green is glitter. I want to see if that's enough. Not enough. Oh no, it's not enough glitter. When is there ever enough glitter though? So, I mean, right? When is there ever enough glitter? Although I actually really think glitter is one of the most annoying things to use because it gets everywhere. There's going to be glitter all over me. I think. Maybe. Probably not. But, okay, I'm going to block it off there. For all bad. I just used like half a bag of glitter. And this slime. It's not even that big of a slime. I made bigger. Normally my slimes are like way bigger than this. Like the size of that white one. Possibly bigger than that. Okay, look at that. It's really nice slime. It looks like it's going to be a nice slime. But all slimes do before they have activator in them. Okay, so now that all that glitter's in, I think it's time to activate it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, activate. Okay, I'm going to start stirring it. See how it starts to form. Ooh, it's forming nicely. Really nicely. To get it. Oh, it's a nice color too. Okay, so it's looking okay. I think I'm gonna go in with my hands now, even though I have nobody to help me. So I'm just gonna open this before I put my hands in. Ooh, it feels okay. So far I'm about to get glitter all over me. Some of my slimes are good, some of my slimes are bad. You know what's really weird? When I make slime outside, it turns out better. Like, I've made a slime in my room before, like I am now, and it turned out really bad. But then again, that day I made another slime, and I made it outside, and it was perfect. See, it's already ripping. It's not a great slime. My glitter slime failed me. Sad. It looks nice. Maybe it'll be pokier though. It's an okay pokiness. It's not a great slime though. Not one of my best. But you can definitely see the glitter that's in it. Maybe my next slime will be better. I think I want to make another white one. But just a plain white one. I don't know. I'm thinking. This one might possibly fit in the quid capsule thing, because this is way too little to fit into that good container. So once it's activated all the way, I'm going to put it in the small capsule. But I think it's almost done. Just have to get it all off my hands. Like with my blue slime and my pink slime, I left them a bit sticky because they would have gone hard if I had activated them anymore. That's why I just add activator slowly as they start to get stickier, because they're getting older. But that white slime was the first slime I ever made with this bottle of glue, and it's good. Okay, I think I'm going to set you guys up so you can see. It's not that bad. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, okay, okay. Stretching now. Okay, I'm going to poke it. I have to set it on something to poke it. Oh. Not bad. Okay, let's see if it fits in the capsule. Because if it does, then it'll go in there. Oh, almost, almost, almost. Wait, possibly. I could get it to fit. I could get it to fit. Okay, ready? It fits perfect! Okay, I'll be right back with a clean bowl for my next slime. Okay, guys, so I decided not to make another slime, and that'll be the end of this video. See you guys next time. Bye!